clickbait titles.
Yes. Yes! We could be like, Allier. Fortnite Battle Royale!
That has like 2,000 views. It only had about, I'm pretty sure 50 views in the first 2 weeks. And then I sent it to a Take Kids video, and I put like 20 tags, and it got like 500 views within the week.
Yeah.
And it just started getting a bunch of views. It's been out for like almost I'm pretty sure over a year now, but it still gets like 100 views like every week or two.
Yeah. Like we don't
like
have
a
to
year
make
after.
we don't have to make the video like there's a setting when you're uploading videos now and stuff.
Yeah.
We
you
can
can
set
make
it
it for kids and for not kids.
Yeah, we can set it. Like if you go to advanced, you can set it
Yeah,
like,
you can set it to, like,
don't
middle.
restrict my videos to people
You
that
can
are
make it like a middle
yeah
ground.
yeah like so other people and the other people want it. But
Yeah.
even if we do that, we will still probably the majority of our audience will be younger. Cause
Yeah.
yeah
Because Minecraft.
yes. Not saying that Minecraft.
Especially if we make clickbait titles.
That's going in the video.
That should just be the very first thing people hear, and then it just cuts to the video.
It's gonna be like this. We can also make more clickbait titles like Allier. No, plays the Allier intro. Oh, that's gonna be good.
Oh, okay.
Okie dokie.
On Sawhorse 69.
I'm gonna actually work on the base while you're gone. That's what I'm gonna have to do.
Okay, me is home.
Why can't I break anything? Oh. My stick is broken.
Damn. That is called depression, kids. Can you say depression?
With me? Depression! When your dad beats
Can
you
you
with the rifle.
kids say depression with me?
Good God.
Could you pass me the acorns?
The coins! Ugh!
Huh?
They're
What was
behind
that?
you.
Where are they? I thought you threw them off the edge for a second.
Oh, that would've been funny.
You weren't. I need some more resin.
This is okay.
What was that laugh?
This is okay.
Okay.
You're not gonna know what happens until I post the video. I can't put it in the video.
Don't put that in the video.
Puts it in the video.
What did you say?
I said puts it in the video.
Don't.
In the middle of the night is the best time to record videos. You get the midnight freaking when you're like
The
high.
midnight crate.
Yeah, the midnight crazy. Loud sniffling noise.
Jesus. We're messed up.
I don't even care. Where do I go to get food?
I'm having the same problem. We can eat acorns but we should cook them. We should. Oh, dang, we need food. Is there a shop? /shop? Oh. Nope, I don't want to open a link. /food? /kit. Oh, okay. What is it? /kit starter, maybe? Oh, /kit list. There are no kits.
Ugh!
How do we get food?
My question!
Please. I don't want to kill him because he won't give us any food.
Oh.
Don't you dare do that ever again. That is our friend.
I didn't actually expect it to do anything. Yes.
Okay.
You've been
Okay,
infected with the AIDS virus.
Oh, Jesus Christ. Okay, food. I'm gonna see if there's any food we can create.
How did Keemstar get away? Keemstar get away with saying the N-word?
No, I'm not joking about.
The fact that I ate the acorn. Yes.
Yes.
Well, we have to record. We have to record an outro now. We spent half an hour.
We made no progress, and sorry to all the Jewish people out there. You're just really funny.
Yes.
Okay. And remember, if you put a spike on a bicycle seat, it feels really good when you wiggle it. Stop it.
Well, happy
New Year.
Happy New Year.
By the way, James lost his girlfriend today because she was cheating.
No.